5 ways to make a budget and track your projects in an automated way. How to do it? Give me a like, subscribe, and push the notification button. The performance of a work requires multiple MTOs. So let's create a new MTO. Click on Create Material Takeoff. Set a date and press the Save and Continue button. Again, the only modifiable column is quantity in the Accumulated Total section. To continue with your new MTO and avoid calculation errors, treat these values in a cumulative way. That is, instead of writing the current executed values, add those to the value of your previous MTO. You will see that these numbers in red will now be adjusted to the current values of this MTO. The previous column is the summation and percentage of the executed budget in previous MTOs. The current column shows what is being executed in the work currently, plus all you have to pay to your collaborators and how the project is evolving. The accumulated total is the summation of all the project's evolution, for both the global percentages and the total cost that you have paid in each MTO. After this, Mtrix-sc.com will provide automatic visualization of the work performance, because it uses the information of your previous MTOs and cross them with the current one. You can also see the evolution of your project in the cumulative total. Let me invite you to continue watching the next videos. Follow me on our social networks.